Hello, good evening to everyone. I'm speaking English because some of our brothers request for alphabets and the basic of Lipapan, but they are not able to speak. That's why I'm speaking English for them to get it clear. So the picture display, that's our culture display. Whenever I see this picture, I know that we are talking about Konkomba and the Konkomba culture in general. We are going to learn today alphabet in Konkomba, and that's what we are beginning from here. That is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, B, I, J, K, B, L, M, N, N, Ng, M, O, P, R, S, T, U, W, Y. And we have the vowels, and the vowels, they are the A, E, I, O, O. That is all that we are going to learn today. Tomorrow we'll continue from there. And then don't forget, I thank you very much, everybody, for listening to me. Hashtag and have a good day. Hashtag Lekwapan to the world. If you go there, you go to the Facebook, you say Lekwapan to the world, you see this picture currently displaying now, and you see either you see this one too. It means represent